In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Udemy support in a few simple steps. If you've ever found yourself needing assistance while navigating Udemy, you're not alone. Sometimes, a little guidance from the support team can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in on how to reach out to them effectively. First, you'll want to visit the Udemy Help Center. This is the hub where you'll find all the resources you might need, and it's the perfect starting point for getting the help you're after. Whether you're experiencing technical difficulties or have questions about courses, this is where the journey begins. Once you're on the Help Center page, the next step is to utilize the Contact Us button. This feature is designed to streamline your communication with Udemy's support team, making it a crucial element in getting your problems addressed. If you're using a desktop computer, navigate to any article within the Help Center and look to the right side. That's where you'll see the Contact Us button. For those using mobile devices, you need to scroll to the bottom of the article to find the Contact Us link. It's a small difference in navigation, but knowing where to look can save you time and frustration. After clicking the Contact Us link, you'll be introduced to Alex, Udemy's virtual support agent. Alex is there to immediately assist with a wide range of queries, making it a handy first layer of support. You might find that many of your questions and issues can be resolved swiftly through this interaction. However, if Alex can't resolve the issue, don't worry. You always have the option to request submitting a support ticket, which will get your concern escalated to a human support team member who can offer further assistance. Now, when you're submitting a support ticket, providing detailed information is key. You want to ensure that the support team has everything they need to address your issue effectively. Include specific details. Think about aspects like course names, relevant dates, and any error messages you've encountered. The more precise you are, the better the support team can understand and troubleshoot your issue. Additionally, if you have screenshots or documents that illustrate the problem, make sure to attach them. These visual elements can significantly aid the team in grasping the situation at a glance. And there you have it, a clear and comprehensive way to contact Udemy support and ensure that your concerns are addressed promptly. Whether you're a seasoned course taker or new to the platform, knowing how to reach out for help is essential for a smooth and enjoyable experience on Udemy. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to keep this guide in mind whenever you need that extra bit of help on your learning journey.